welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I am so happy you're here for this video. And I am going to be doing a first impression on the new Colourpop palettes that is called On Cloud Blue, which looks like this. And then Cloud Spun, which looks like this. So if you like to see swatches and this eye look that I completed using both of these palettes together, keep on watching. I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring the bell just in case you want to be notified every time I upload a video at least once a week. And without further ado, let's get started. I already primed my eyelids with the Catrice concealer that looks like this. And I did set it with loose powder just to make sure the concealer is sealed and I'm good to go. So on the website, these palettes are $12 each and I think they're absolutely beautiful. Like this one is on Cloud Blue and you're getting these beautiful sky blue shades that I feel like do represent the sky. You're getting a pressed glitter right there, but fortunately this one looks like it's really finely milled and I would use this in my eye looks just because of that, but super pretty. And then this one is Cloud Spun, and this reminds me of pretty much sunset colors, and you are getting a pressed glitter as well, but these colors are so pretty, very beautiful. Okay, so now that you've seen the swatches indoor and outdoor, I want to do a sunset look using both of these palettes as coordinates with one another. I just love sunsets. I never get tired of seeing them outside, even though they appear sometimes every day. But for me, they just look so different. And how the clouds line in one another. It's just like, it's so beautiful to look at. I have so many pictures, but I'm not sure how to go with using both of these together because there are different color tones, but so the first shade I'm going to take as my transition is a shadow called Candy Fluff. It looks just like this. And I'll be putting that all over as so. So this is what it's looking like, and I think it's a beautiful transition shade. You can definitely tell that there's some pink showing up. That's nice. So now I'm going to be taking this shade called Turkish Delight, which is going to be this shade right here. And I'm just going to be putting that on my outer crease. Okay, so now I am going to be blending it with my Beach Cosmetics brush just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. So just simply do this. Okay, so I know what I'm going to do. Okay, so I am going to be taking the shade called Clear Skies, and I'll put that in the inner first part of my lid. So now I'm going to be taking a shade called Cotton Cloud, which is going to be this one right here, and I'm just going to put it next to this blue shade. It's gonna look really, really pretty. Okay, so now the last shimmer shade I'm going to be putting on my lid is the one called Pixie Stick, and it's going to be this one right here, and it's almost like a rose duochrome, but I'm not so sure. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this shade, which is called Ice Baby, and just going to put that as a light transition over the whole eye look I just did. So I can't pick one, but I think what I'm going to do is put one on each eye just to see how it would look. So first I'll take this one and I'll put this on my left eye. This shade called Blue Taffy, and I'll put that on my right eye. So this is my final eye look, and I love how all the colors blended together. The only issue is right here on my inner corner using that strange mushy eye texture that this shadow is giving me. So if you like to know my first impressions with these palettes, I think it's such a good color scheme of everything that you're getting with this palette and with this. But unfortunately, the number one thing I am noticing with the palette is that it has like a chemical scent. And I don't know, like when I was using the mirror to, complete my eye looks with it, it smells really weird. It doesn't smell so good, so I don't know if this is just based on what the palette is made out of, or if it's the pressed glitter. And then another reason is that, of course, you're getting pressed glitter that's not really good for your eyes. But these shades right here, this and this are almost like a cream texture. And so you're not going to find that out unless you swatch it with your hands or with a brush. It's really, really different. So don't know about that. But using this blue palette, I found that there was no issues, but it does have a chemical scent as well. So I don't know so much of why it's smelling like that, but I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I mean, this is my first time using the palettes. I feel like the only way I could make this shadow work is not using a concealer primer base for the eyes, because close up you could see that it's getting patchy of where I applied it, because it did not apply so smoothly like this one from the blue palette. So yeah, just keep those in mind, and I think that you'll really enjoy the color schemes that these palettes offer, especially if you're like a sunset lover like me. I think that these palettes will definitely get use out of your own makeup collection, and it's just, they really are a beautiful sunset color palette if you use both of them. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm hoping that this is helpful for you, whether you decide to get these palettes or not. I will be signing off now, and continue being safe, and God bless. And I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.